Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to replace TV screen in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Let's start. File, create a new project. And create a new sequence. HTV format. File, import. Select the both image. One is the TV video, one is the living room. Just right click, set to frame size. This is TV video. Right click, set to frame size. Place the video 2 layer and trim unwanted videos. Now select the TV video. You can scale, fit the TV frame. Increase the zoom, more close. Now fit the TV frame. Okay. Then go to effect, video effect, go to distort, corner pin. Select the corner pin, insert the sequence, apply the TV video. You select the upper left. This is upper left. You can drag, fit the TV frame. You can use a corner pin. You have 4 corners. You can adjust the video in TV frame. Okay. Now finish. Then enable the timeline, position, scale, upper left, right, lower left, right. You can enable the all time frame. Go the end frame. In sequence, track the position, fit the TV frame. You can track the position, fit the TV frame. If fine, then go the corner pin. Select the corner pin, just drag. Automatically create a timeline. And just check. See the TV video was moving. Now you can adjust the move. Which frames adjust? You can select the frame, create a position. Now you can adjust. Create here one frame and little move. Again adjust the position. Okay, then little adjust. You can adjust the one by one each frames. Fit in the TV frame in video. Okay, everything is finished. See the video in TV frame. Just drag this area, drag a position. Now it's clear. See the video in TV frame. See the final output. This is replace the TV screen in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.